a junior here at Wichita State, majoring in biology with a minor in university honors. We're here today in the Dorothy and Bill Cohen Honors College. Let's go take a look. Here we are in the Honors Student Lounge, which is accessible to honors students 24/7 with their student ID. It's a great place to study, catch up with friends, and you also have access to computers and free printing. Here we are in the seminar room that is attached to the Honors Student Lounge. And here we host some of our honors seminar courses, which allow for more interaction with your classmates, smaller discussion, and more meaningful work. Here we are in front of the Honors Textbook Library, which allows honors students to check out any textbooks for use, as well as more study space and a giant whiteboard for collaboration between students. There are a lot of great ways to get involved with the Honors College. We have an Honors Living Learning community located in Shocker Hall to promote further friendships within honors students. We also have an Honors Student Council, as well as our Honors Ambassadors. The Honors Student Lounge also has a kitchen space for students to use. You can use our coffee and tea all for free, as well as craft supplies, games, and puzzles for you to relax between classes. The Honors College offers a variety of hands-on applied learning opportunities that expose students to new experiences, locations, and ideas. Lead for Tomorrow, for example, is a traveling leadership academy with past stops in Memphis, Portland, and Seattle. The course engages students in contemporary research and scholarship based on an annual theme. Other travel experiences the Cohen Honors College provides is the Paraguay Honors Service Learning course and Bill's Trip, where students explore service learning in the national parks. While honors students call the Honors Student Lounge home, you can find an honors student learning, leading, and hanging out all over campus. You can be a part of any academic college and still be a part of the Honors College, which means that you can major in any subject and still be a part of the Honors College. Now let's go look at a lab. Here we are in one of our chemistry labs. The Honors College provides research opportunities for any student, not just an honors student. For example, FIRE is the first-year research experience, which provides first-year students an opportunity to research all across campus. Thanks for going along on our tour of the Cohen Honors College. If you have any questions or would like to see for yourself, schedule a visit at Wichita.edu/visit. We hope to see you soon, and go Shocks!